Find features that make it different from other brands. For Thinlerain, 23.8-inch, computer monitor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 23.8-inch FHD computer screen. Enjoy lifelike visuals with 1920x1080 resolution, 100% sRGB, and 250 CD per square meter brightness. A 178 degrees viewing angle, 16:9 aspect ratio, and 1000:1 contrast ensure vibrant clarity from every angle. With a 60 Hz refresh rate and 5 millisecond response time, it's perfect for work or play. Vertical desktop monitor with multi-function stand. Boost productivity with a 90 degrees rotation for vertical viewing, swivel 45 degrees left/right, height adjustment, and upward tilt for ergonomic comfort. Ideal for coding, multitasking, or creative work, its multi-function stand adapts to your needs. Upgrade your workspace with ease. Versatile HDMI monitor with multi-ports and remote control. This extender monitor for laptop features HDMI, VGA, BNC, USB, AV, audio in/out ports, 2 built-in speakers, and a remote control for easy operation. Compatible with PCs, laptops, CCTV, Raspberry Pi, and TV boxes, it also supports U-Disc media playback. Perfect for home, office, surveillance, and entertainment needs. Ultra-thin bezels monitor display. This monitor design with ultra-thin 3-sided bezels, offering a larger screen feel and seamless visuals. Perfect for multi-monitor setups, its minimalist design enhances productivity while adding a stylish touch to your workspace. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.